Hello, welcome to my first video, and today I'm gonna be teaching you Java. Now, quick disclaimer: this is based on the study guide for the OCA, the Oracle Certified Associate Java SC 8 Programmer 1. It's a study guide, and I just wanted to share this with you. So, I mean, you don't have to you don't have to buy the book. So today all we're gonna do is write a simple Java class. We're gonna make it call a word, and we're gonna define a variable, and we're gonna put a string into it. Okay, so first, once you've created your project, which I hope you know how to do, you go here, new, and then let's click new Java class. And once you're right here, just leave the package. I don't like the default package. Okay, let's do that. Type name empty. It's fine. Let's do you have to get the name, and you have to go. Let's just call it. I don't know. Call it whatever you want. For this, I'm gonna call it hippo. Let's just say hippo. I don't know. And there isn't really is discouraged. Okay, didn't know that. Let's just hold it. I'm sorry, I'm kind of new to Java. I haven't done it in a while, but you have to create a new package, and let's call this package just package. Just call it hippo package. Oh, okay. Package J. I don't know. And finish, and we should have a new package. And right click this, go to class, and package, okay, everything, and call it whatever you want, and then hit finish, and then it should be here. And this might look completely weird and all. Don't worry about it. Basically what it's doing is it's getting the package. This is where it gets a package, and this is where it creates a public class hippo. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna create a new variable. So to do that, you have to define the type first. So we are gonna make a string, which basically a string is text, and you can put text in it. It's basically like text. And then call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it string hi. And then you have to put a semicolon, and the semicolon is right next to the L, okay, on your keyboard, and it should come up here. So now you've just created a new variable. So now on line 2, we are going to define a variable. We defined a variable, okay. And now what we're gonna do is gonna type in public string get, let's say get high, and then you have to put brackets, parameters, and then bracket, and then hit enter right here. Oh right, make sure string and public string get high is uppercase. And what seems to be the problem here? Oh yeah, right. Now don't worry if it has red, completely fine. The reason is because we have to return the string value. So basically this is creating a new function that is public, which means it is successful that means it can be accessed everywhere. It's going to create a new public string function called getHigh. And what getHigh is going to do, it's going to return the value of your variable. So all you have to do is type return and then your variable name. And yeah. And then what we're going to do is hit enter, and we're going to make a new we're going to create a new we're going to create a new function, a method basically, called set name, and in our parameters, like public void set name, set whatever the variable is, like set high, and then inside of these parentheses, they're called parentheses, is the parameters. So it's going to create a new string variable called new. It's going to create a new string variable, and we're going to call it new, and then your variable, so new high for me. And then we're going to put a bracket and hit enter. Alright? Then, once it sets high, we're going to make it, say, high, your variable, equals the new string you created, so new high. Don't worry about all the information I gave here. I'm not that good at Java. I'm kind of just like trying to help you guys out. So basically on lines 5 to 6, we are creating your first method. Basically, it's an operation that can be called like a function in other programs. And yeah. And now this one is special because it's a type that's called void. That means it has no value at all. Wait, hold it. It has no value at all. That means no value at all is returned. And it requires information to be supplied to it from a calling method. And that is called a parameter, which are these two things, which is anything inside the parentheses. And yeah, and it's creating a new string variable called new high. And a full declaration of a method is called a method signature. So an example, in this example, which I'm gonna type, don't type this, public int number variable, number visitors, and then put int month. What is this going to do? What is the return type? So the return type, and this one is the can you identify the return type and the parameters? And yeah, try to guess. This is the return type. This is the parameters. These are the parameters. This is the return type. Try to guess it. And this single line. I'll give you 5 seconds. Alright. What is it? If you said that int was a return type, you are correct. And this is the return type right here, this int. And if you said this was a parameter, you are correct. Anyway, I'm going to delete this line of code. Sorry if it's a little bit confusing. And yeah. Anyway, that is going to be the end of this tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye.